Carving a turkey with FN Sharp. The first thing you'll want to do is remove the leg and thigh. And I'm telling you, like a broken record, it's all about finding the joints, and you can even pull back like this, find that joint and go right in between them, and it'll come off with ease and success every time. I'm pulling back the skin to give you a better look. Don't worry, you can always crisp up the skin later. Go just off center of the breastbone using your FN Sharp chef's knife. Because you can use the heel and the tip to get in there with precision, leave those wings on as you saw that rocking motion. That's to keep it stable. Switching between the heel and the tip of the chef's knife is key when carving your turkey. You can see I'm using just the tip to go ahead and make small slices. Work slowly until you can take the entire breast off, and then use your cutting board to go ahead and make slices for your family and friends. After letting the bird rest for half an hour before getting into it, you can see how tender and moist this meat is. Now going into the wings, you have the wing and the drumstick. Again, find the joint, go right in between. You can see it a little bit more clearly here as I pull back the wing from the drumstick, get in between the joints, and voila. It just takes practice. Happy Thanksgiving from FN Sharp.